Energy drinks can have several effects on the body due to their high caffeine and sugar content, as well as other stimulating ingredients. Here are some ways energy drinks can affect the body. Increased alertness and energy. Energy drinks are designed to provide a quick boost of energy and increased alertness. This effect is primarily due to the high caffeine content in these beverages. Caffeine stimulates the central nervous system, promoting wakefulness and reducing fatigue. Increased heart rate and blood pressure. Energy drinks can cause a temporary increase in heart rate and blood pressure. This is again primarily due to the high caffeine content. If consumed in excess or by individuals with underlying heart conditions, it may pose a risk and lead to adverse cardiovascular effects. Dehydration. Energy drinks have a diuretic effect, meaning they increase urine production and can contribute to dehydration. Caffeine, as a mild diuretic, can increase fluid loss from the body. It's essential to balance the consumption of energy drinks with adequate hydration by drinking water as well. Disruption of sleep patterns. The stimulating effects of energy drinks can interfere with sleep patterns, especially if consumed close to bedtime. Caffeine can make it difficult to fall asleep and reduce the quality of sleep, leading to sleep disturbances and daytime drowsiness. Digestive issues. Energy drinks can cause digestive problems, including stomach irritation, acid reflux, and indigestion. This can be attributed to the high sugar content in some energy drinks or the combination of caffeine and carbonation, which can irritate the gastrointestinal tract. Increased risk-taking behavior. Energy drinks can influence behavior and mood. The combination of caffeine and other stimulating ingredients may lead to increased risk-taking behavior and impulsivity. This effect can be particularly concerning in young individuals or those prone to reckless behavior. Adverse health effects. Excessive consumption of energy drinks has been associated with several health problems, such as increased heart rate, heart palpitations, high blood pressure, anxiety, insomnia, and even rare cases of cardiac arrhythmias or cardiac arrest. People with underlying health conditions, such as cardiovascular issues, should be cautious about consuming energy drinks. It's important to note that individual responses to energy drinks can vary based on factors such as body weight, tolerance to caffeine, overall health, and consumption patterns. Moderation and awareness of the potential risks associated with energy drinks are crucial for maintaining a healthy lifestyle.